And in today's video, what I'm going to be showing you is how to make readmes easier. So normally when you make a readme, for example in GitHub or any other Git service, you'd probably have to initialize it when you create a new repository. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to make a test repository. So call it test and say this is a test repo. Make that private and I'll initialize this with the readme. So normally when you want to edit a readme, you have to use Markdown. And I don't know about you, but for me Markdown is really a pain in the ass to write, especially when you're doing it like this. There's like certain syntax you have to remember, certain spacing, and if you want to edit, like insert images, there's a whole process for that. And really it's just a pain in the ass in my opinion. So I was trying to find a way just to do or make readmes easier, because again, readmes are good for just showing off your code and showing how a project works, and just like giving like examples of usage and etc. etc. So in the process of doing that, I found this site called makeareadme.com, and essentially what it does is that it has one side for Markdown input, as you can see, and it shows the actual output for you. Instead of having to commit or refresh or test it yourself, you can just, as you type, so for example, I'll change the name from foobar to test, you can see it updates on this side, and it's just a really handy tool for just creating readmes. So I'll just delete some of this, let's say using the test manager, for example, so you can insert links that are clickable right here. I'll just delete some of this. Delete some of this. And for example, I'm like, oh yeah, that's okay. I want this. This is the readme I want from my repo. All you do is just copy it, paste it in, and I'll say, yeah, I'll just leave it as that just for the sake of this. Then I'll commit the changes. And there you go. You can see it's a well formatted readme. And it was just easy as that. So yeah, I definitely would recommend, if you're making readmes and you find it like myself, like a pain in the ass to do, just head over to makeareadme.com, fill it out, and then yeah, paste it back in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Straight up.